Hey guys, it's me, Madison Place from Madison Place and Justin Place. And I have a special guest.
Hi, it's Peyton. I don't have a channel yet.
He doesn't have a channel.
I'm going to get one soon.
Oh, get that on the camera. We don't need that yet. You have a sneak peek of what we're doing. So, I'll introduce the rules. And then I'll say what we're doing. So, I will count to number 3, and we have to just say out a word that first pops up in our mind.
Yeah, it's be a Christmas thing.
Christmas or New Year's, any of that. So you want to know what we're making those things out of? Oh, I'm not done explaining. I'm not done explaining.
I'll do a drum roll.
So to explain, I already said that. Here, I get this. So the explaining, here, I'm trying to think, what should I say? So we just count to 3 and we have to just say something. And
then we make it?
Yeah, then we make it out of some sort. Play-Doh. We have to make it out of Play-Doh.
Ding, ding, ding.
And we both have a cutting tool.
Got pizza, fake pizza.
And we both have a roller. Here's So, let's just get started. 3, 2, 1.
Santa hat.
Christmas star. Hey, now, what one would you rather do?
Santa hat.
I'm trying to think. Pick a number 1 through 10. Well, no, I picked a number. Try to guess a number.
This is hard.
If you win, you get to do Santa hat.
Can we just ask Mama to do it? Okay. 3.
Down.
It was
3.
Yes.
We need to do Santa hat.
I knew it.
So, I need a little bit of white.
I need red.
I'm making mine a green Santa hat.
I like mine red, honestly. We're doing the Play-Doh challenge. What is that? Play-Doh challenge. What's Play-Doh challenge?
Here, I'll split this in half.
I don't need green.
You need white.
Huh? Oh. I only need a tiny bit, I think. Actually, never mind. I think I need
Let's do some. I halved it. Okay, I'm going to make mine actually pink because there's no more red. Pink.
Hey, what are you making?
So we're making Santa hats.
It doesn't matter what color it actually is anyways. It could be an elf hat. Like
yeah, I'm
green.
going to do an elf hat.
It could just be any kind of...
And this is
hat.
brand new Play-Doh. So here, this is going to be a satisfying... This is paint. This is going to be a satisfying moment.
Hey, you never told me that you had brand new Play-Doh. What? Huh? I forgot about it.
He got tons of Play-Doh. He got bath Play-Doh. He got normal Play-Doh. He got a bunch of things.
Because he loves Play-Doh. I don't love Play-Doh. I just got it for Christmas for no reason. I didn't want it.
Well,
but
be grateful.
Now I'm starting for...
You should be grateful.
I'm liking it now.
You should be grateful. For what?
For your laptop.
I am.
And all your other stuff. And your clothes.
I am. I'm wearing it now.
But you're not.
This is hard. Trying to get the perfect shape. You need the perfect shape.
Okay, I think this is enough rolling the Play-Doh out. What?
No. You need to flatten it out. Flatten it out. So hard. I don't want that piece of cutter. Okay, now I've got to cut my shape.
I already cut my shape. Now I just need to do some white.
And just so you know, I'm a way better artist than Peyton. But actually, me and Peyton are really close.
I'm a good,
we're both good artists.
I'm a good tracer, but not a good drawer.
Me and Peyton are both pretty good.
I'm a good drawer, but not a color.
You're basically drawing it. This is like a cream white.
How do you roll this
In the little lineup.
Okay, that's good.
No, yours is a little baby. Yours is a baby. You know that? Yours is a big baby. I'm trying not to mix the colors up, but where it looks like it's mixed, but it's not. You're actually making it a ball. I'm not. Look at that. Da 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 da. Cut my shape out.
I make it icy. Can't make it. I just made icy slime. I just did that. See?
It's too small. It's too small. Okay, mine's too small. Wait, actually, no, it's not.
Yeah, mine's smaller than yours. Okay, I think I'm done with mine.
Well, I can't pick mine.
Can I show it?
Yeah.
Oh. Can I drop a little piece?
Mine's doing that too. Okay, I gotta pick.
There. This is my. Madison,
Sorry.
you knocked it down.
Here's mine.
That's what it looks like.
Mine's an elf hat. Well, it's not. It's like a green Santa hat. As long as it's like a Santa hat, like it looks like a Santa hat. So now we gotta clean up our mess. We'll be back after we clean up our mess.
We're back.
We're back.
Comment down below if you love icy slime.
No, don't comment down because Cinder's being a poop head.
See, I made icy slime. And Master, you don't even know how to put stuff out, so. Okay. So let me think of something. A Christmas sign.
But this time it's gonna be mine. So maybe I should just say one.
Wait, no, this time I'm going to say a number.
No. Okay, each time we're gonna change up the rules. So this time I just say one out and we have to do that. Next time you say one out and then I say one out and then we're done.
I
We'll
want
just
to
do
say
4
a number.
rounds.
I want to say the numbers now.
We're just gonna forget about the numbers.
What did you get to do? Not me.
My number was actually 5. Okay, let me think of one. 2018 sign. So it could be any color. So you just gotta write, you're basically just writing 2000. Well, no, I'm gonna think of something. A Christmas star. That's better. I'm gonna do a colorful one.
This is ice slime. Can you do that in your room, please?
Play-Doh, please. Actually, all the big Play-Doh containers are new.
No, I dropped the yellow.
We dropped the yellow. Da 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 da.
Did you know sodium is borax and I put borax all over my hands? And I dropped my roll. I saw that master. I put this in your hair.
I messed up. It's okay, well I can fix it. so I can just.
Why you mad? Why you mad?
This is my star so far.
Please don't fall in the corner. Sprinkle slime? Slash. See slime. You mad?
It's gonna be a minute till I'm done.
So, 4 rats.
Hey, you're almost done.
No, I ain't.
Look at me. You've done a lot more than me. Mine doesn't even look like a star yet. Did you just drop a star?
No. Dropped a piece of Play-Doh.
It kind of looked like a star. Kind of look like your star. What? All I said was, BURR!
Is the video on?
Huh? Yeah. It's been 12 minutes.
Just making sure.
It's been 12 minutes.
Oh no.
And it's a Friday night. Friday night. Friday.
I messed up a little bit. I'm gonna have to restart.
You have to restart?
I don't have to restart. I just have to restart a little point of my star. And now it's too big.
You're gonna have to restart completely, maybe.
There we go. Perfect.
I'm almost.
Need my roller. Actually, no. Okay.
You're done?
No.
I'm almost done.
Oh man.
What?
Never mind.
Did you just realize what I'm doing?
I need the black
Oh, there's no black sign.
for eye.
You're doing the Mario stuff. But now you can't.
Well, I can just use regular. I can just use white, and I can use a different color. Like I can use blue. It's kind of like a.
You could use the dark blue.
No, I was thinking of that. That's what I meant. Now I need a rose and a rectangle.
I think mine's actually almost done.
I need a
Whoa.
Actually, I need to flat it.
Look at my star. I need a little one.
No, you didn't. You didn't scare me at all.
This is actually pretty hard.
Why can't I make it small?
We might only do 3 rounds, but I'm thinking 4 rounds. This is going to be a long video. Swish, swish, bish. What? It's called swish, swish, bish.
Is that Patrick's star?
No.
Or just pants. It doesn't have any pants.
So it'd be green.
You might be making them. Oh yeah?
His pants are not blue.
His pants are green. So why are you looking at this thing?
Da, da, da.
Oh, now I need to grab it. Oops. And I dropped a Play-Doh again.
You keep dropping it, boy. Boy. How you keep dropping it, boy?
Why are you going crazy, boy?
I'm not going crazy.
You are.
I don't know what to do. There's something wrong about my picture. I have an idea.
I'm almost done.
We have to hurry. Look at mine painting.
I'm done.
Do you think it's
Done.
I'm almost done.
Oh, need to show it.
His eyeballs aren't sticking.
I need to show it. It looks like a cookie.
When I balls.
I can't really show it to you that good.
His eye keeps falling. Here,
Hold
I'll
on. Let me get my other eye. Well, that's what it looks like. Right there. Let me see if it's showing. Okay.
It's not showing.
Let me see.
Okay, that was good enough. Probably saw it, I'm not sure. There's one more
Well,
thing I
already
need to do.
wadded mine up. Is that
The white in it?
no? I'm actually going to make Patrick Star. I want to. I want to use some of that pink.
Let's see if I can pick mine.
Wait! Do we have a star cutter?
Yes.
Is it big?
No. His leg. Okay, I'll show you. This is mine. Yes, my weird looking star.
What do you think is inside this cat?
No, it's water.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
I have the same one.
It's not a flat ball.
It's not supposed to be. Peyton gets to choose what we're doing. Did you get tea in your eyeball? He got tea in his eyeball. There's still a Christmas tree that we could do.
I knew it. There was nothing in here. Look, it's just him. Just this. Comment down below for kawaii squishies. Basically, check out kawaii squishies.
That's not a kawaii squishy.
I'm not sure. No, go check out her channel. Present.
Great.
Can I play with Play-Doh?
No.
Okay, I'm telling. You can't play because we're using it right now.
We are using it.
I've dropped my lid. Now you're dropping stuff? Really?
I'm not dropping anything. Let me drop anything.
I'm making my present.
We're going to bed in 5 to 10 minutes. So this is,
We all have to play. I know.
but there's no room. Because
So?
you're not good on this.
I can make one. And the colors that we're using, you can't. Stop! Move your foot. The colors that we're using, you can't use. And I can use it when you're not using it. But it's just sitting on the table now. Yeah, if we're not using it, you can use it, but if we're using it, you can't. I think I know that, because how am I supposed to use that when y'all are playing? Like if it's right here, and I'm like, oh, I need a white. You're going to go, ah, it's mine. I need it, blah, 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 I'm doing it, blah, blah, blah. Shut up, that's not how I
And
use
you can't mix the colors.
I think I know that. I've been playing with Play-Doh with it more than you have. Kind of have. I've been playing with that set.
Not with this Play-Doh.
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
You haven't played it? This is Play-Doh. Huh?
Yeah.
No. can't even sound like me.
Ooh.
Can't even sound like me.
Wee.
Can't even sound like me.
Wow, my little baby. Wow.
That's you. That's you. You're impressioning.
Wait, I'm sitting on my baby.
Paige's being rude.
No, you know we're going to bed in like 5 minutes.
She never said that.
Swish, swish, bish.
Oh, Madison said the B word.
Oh, I didn't. There's a song called Swish, Swish, Swish. Oh. Swish, swish, bish. Not a bad word.
Yes, it is.
Because it's bish.
You're saying an S motion.
Because that's how the song is called. That's not a bad word.
Kind of.
The bad word is B.
Madison just said the bad word.
No, I didn't.
She needs to go to bed.
She needs to be
You know they can literally see you.
You didn't even touch me. That doesn't Mine's gonna be tea.
Sandal's being rude.
Here, I need some white.
Okay, I don't need it. But I need a green. Here it is.
Oh, you're making a red and green present.
What present? Oh. I thought the white thing was your present.
This is my present.
Is that?
This is my present.
Pink looks way better.
Payne hasn't even.
Well, still, his looks way better than yours so far. I need to cut that.
I need to see how far it's gonna be.
They just said the B word.
I said I need to see how far it's gonna be.
That's a lie.
You need to stop making up things.
You need to stop making up things. You're making up something right now. I'm using a real knife, not that plastic knife.
Actually, we're using Play-Doh knives.
Actually, Play-Doh knives suck. If Play-Doh people are watching this, I doubt they will because Master Channel sucks. Because you can't even hold the camera. Right, you can. Not right. Like normal people.
Okay, I think my present's ready.
Alien.
Your butt's like an alien.
Oh! You can't say that because the first thing I said. That's the first thing you said.
Mama, Cinder's trying to threaten me with a butter knife.
No, I'm not. Because I don't even have a butter knife. I have a knife. I don't have a knife. I have a butter knife. Master said I have a knife.
This is my present.
Is it?
I ain't done yet.
Ah.
I dropped it. Are you doing multiple presents?
No, I'm only doing one.
It's hard to add a bow, so I'm not adding a bow.
No, it's not.
I think I am. I'm just gonna do like a little thing. A little thing. Like a little hole. Okay.
I can actually make peppers, and you can't. You can only make like grilled cheese and stuff. I can make burgers. I can make cheese sticks.
If you need help by an adult, then you can't make it.
I don't need help.
Yes, you do. I
Only
see
on
you
the,
all the time.
stove.
Then you
Turn
can't
it
cook.
on. To turn it on, I can. I can't cook. But the other thing,
since you know how to.
See, I can make peppers better than you can. This is cut up peppers. I think
I'm actually not done, guys. Okay, and you know we need to hurry because the video is fixing to end.
Hat. Okay. Ew. Why'd you fart, Madison?
It was you.
So I need to make a plate of peppers. So I got me a plate. I'm gonna put some peppers. Still on peppers. Swish, swish. Swish, swish. You need to get out of your face. Swish, swish. Bye, Flea. No, this is how a song goes. Swish, swish. Bye, Felicia. It's not swish, swish. No. That's what she says. Swish, swish. That's what she says.
Okay, fix my present. It's better.
Actually, it's what you said because you just said it. Actually, Madison said it too, so. Oh, it goes, ooh, no, oh.
I said swish, swish, bish. That's not swish, swish, bish.
That's what she said. No, she did not. She said that. Madison won't stop saying the B word.
I'm not even saying anything.
Oh, really? You're saying something right now. I saw that. I'm not dumb.
Hurry, Peyton.
I'm hurrying, dude. Okay, I'm done.
Sindel just ate Play-Doh.
No, it didn't.
So this is mine. Oh, it's fine. Here, I'll
Yours
show
is
him.
better.
I'll show him.
Peyton, do you think yours is better?
Yeah.
I do too.
course. You got like a big crown on top.
Why'd you already cut it?
Like, this is my bow.
I'm going to cut it. Are you? How'd you do that good?
Because I am. On the bow?
Good.
Yeah. Because I can, and because I used this knife thing that it came with. You want me to go ahead and end the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye! That is all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. You need to be shutting up.
You need to comment down below that Max is a butthole and she cannot even talk.
I gotta find a decent quiet spot. So, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends and family. Comment down below what should we do next. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Turn that red subscribe button to a gray. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be in my and Jocelyn and I's notification squad. Bye. Now I gotta get paint and say bye. Bye. Well, for now. Peyton, say bye.
Bye, Felicia! Bye, Felicia!
Bye. Peace.